Shalom, this is the 10th video of Sefer Vayikra. We're going to be examining a pasuk in Sedrat Metzora, Parak Yudalid, pasuk Lamed Daled. Let's read the pasuk inside, and then we'll see a fascinating machlokas between the Ibn Ezra and the Chizkuni. The pasuk says as follows: Kisavo el Eretz Canaan, asher ani nosen lachem lachuzav, and asati nega tzaras bebeis Eretz achuzaschem. And the pasuk means as follows: when you come to the land of Canaan, that's Eretz Yisrael, but before it was Eretz Yisrael, it was called Canaan, which I give you as a possession, says Hashem, and I place tzaras on you, upon a house, well, not upon you, but upon a house in the land of your possession. Not only could you get tzaras, but your house could get tzaras, and so could your clothes. So let's tell you about the house, and the Ibn Ezra and the Chizkuni are going to explain why it is that you could only get tzaras on your house once you were in Eretz Yisrael. But outside of Eretz Yisrael, like the Jews in the desert, they could get tzaras on themselves, but they couldn't get on their houses. So says the Ibn Ezra, we're looking at pasuk Yudalid Divrei Maschil V'tam ki savol Eretz Canaan ki ze noheg ba'aretz levado ba'avur godol ma'alos haaretz ki hamikdash b'socham. So this only happens in Eretz Yisrael out of honor for the land, because the land is at such a great level because the Beis Hamikdash is going to be in Eretz Yisrael. And the Shechina, where we go to understand God, is in the Beis Hamikdash. So due to the Beis Hamikdash, its location in Eretz Yisrael, so therefore your house could only get tzaras in Eretz Yisrael. Okay, because Eretz Yisrael is so special. Let's look at the Chizkuni. The Chizkuni is also pasuk Lamed Daled, Divrei Maschil Kisavo Eretz Canaan. Lo nemar Kisavo Gabay Nogei Adam V'Kelim. It doesn't say when you come into the land by a person's body or by his clothing or his possessions, right? This is only the phrase that when you come into the land is only used in Eretz Yisrael when referring to Eretz Yisrael, right? So why? Even though these laws were in place in the desert, they didn't have houses in the desert, right? Just a practical matter. When did they get houses? Only when they moved into Eretz Yisrael and they were given permanent places to live. In the desert, they were transient. They kept on moving. It was only once they got to Eretz Yisrael that they were given a portion in the land, and then they were able to build houses. So the debate between Ibn Ezra and the Chizkuni here is why it is that tzaras, which applies in Chutz La'aretz to one's clothing and to one's body, doesn't apply to one's house, only in Eretz Yisrael. And that's the debate between the two of them. Okay, the real chachma for this debate between the Ibn Ezra and the Chizkuni is going to come with your analysis, and I can't wait to see it. Shalom.